Hi, this is Brandon I. Brooks with the Los Angeles Sentinel and the LA Watch Times newspaper. My absolute pleasure today to be here at the 58th Annual Grammy Awards. And I have some people that a lot of you are familiar with at home. How are you doing today, Rev Run? And please introduce yourself.
Justine Simmons.
Justine Simmons, thank you both for being here. So tell us, what brings you out? I know you music.
We're getting a Lifetime Achievement Award, so a lot of people are waiting to find out if they're going to win. They kind of spoiled it for me, but I'm still happy they're going to give us the award. It's going to be a platinum Grammy. What can I say?
And I had the pleasure of speaking with Jams of children. It's two boys that are here today, and they're definitely doing their thing, keeping the leg. Tell us, what does that mean for just your whole crew, everybody?
You got Jitta, and then you got TJ. So R.I.P. to their dad, and I'm sure he's smiling down on this whole thing.
Did you ever imagine? I'll ask you that. He'd be here, you guys be here, all the things you guys are doing as a family. Tell me, what does all this success mean for the Simmons Fund?
Well, we're very, very excited. I would say years ago, no, but now, yes. The longevity that they had, we're so happy and proud. He's very happy.
You are looked up to as a wonderful mother for how you all raise your family and your kids. Tell me how do you do it? Give us some advice and give us an update on your children too and what they're doing.
Well, Diggy is still doing his grind with rapping, and JoJo now has his own management company. Our girls are constantly out there doing their thing, and mostly I would say talk. Constantly talk with your kids.
God bless, keep it up, and we'll be watching you on TV every day we can. All right, take care. All right.